Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to go full screen in Radioboss. Many stations prefer having full screen on 24/7 because their station is streaming 24/7 and they're not really using anything else on the computer like Google, YouTube, things like that. So people just prefer having the program in full screen so you don't have to be bothered or have to be cluttered down by any of the icons at the very bottom, the taskbar, the time, things like that. So Radioboss is a cool feature. By clicking on View and then pressing full screen, it automatically just eliminates all of that, and all we have in front of our monitor or on our monitor taking up space is the program itself. So there's nothing in the way, there's no time, there's no Windows icon, the time, the weather, anything like that, that's not in the way anymore. We just have Radioboss at the very center. So you can also pretty much go full screen by clicking F11 on your keyboard. So if you click F11, it'll pretty much activate it, and then one more time F11, it'll turn it off. So this was basically a video on just how to activate full screen in Radioboss so you pretty much aren't cluttered down by anything at the bottom of the taskbar, the search, the Windows, time, things like that. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and we're happy to help. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.